Do you ever feel like your mind is a tangled mess of thoughts, worries, and endless to-do lists? Mental clarity feels like a luxury in a world full of distractions and noise. But what if you could silence the chaos and create a focused, peaceful mindset? This video is about mental minimalism, the art of decluttering your mind to unlock clarity and tranquility. Stick around as we explore how to simplify your inner world and embrace a life of calm focus. The first step to mental minimalism is recognizing the clutter. Just as physical clutter fills your home, mental clutter fills your thoughts. This includes overthinking, worrying about things beyond your control, or multitasking excessively. Each of these drains your energy and clouds your judgment. Start by observing your thoughts. Are they productive, or do they lead you in circles? Write down recurring worries or distractions to get them out of your head and onto paper. As the philosopher Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Identifying your mental clutter is the first step toward clarity. We live in the age of information overload, constant notifications, endless scrolling, and breaking news at every moment. All this noise overstimulates your brain and keeps you from focusing on what truly matters. Mental minimalism requires you to set boundaries with information. Schedule specific times to check your phone or consume media, and embrace the power of saying no to unnecessary inputs. By curating what you allow into your mind, you create space for clarity and peace. Remember, your attention is one of your most valuable resources. Spend it wisely. Once you've identified the clutter and set boundaries, it's time to embrace focus. Mental minimalism thrives on doing one thing at a time and giving it your full attention. Whether it's a work task, a conversation, or even your downtime, being fully present allows you to engage deeply and effectively. Mindfulness practices like meditation or focused breathing can help train your brain to resist distractions. A simple exercise: try the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Identify 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. This anchors your mind in the present and clears away mental noise. Mental clutter isn't just about thoughts, but also unresolved emotions. Old grudges, regrets, and unprocessed feelings weigh on your mind like unnecessary baggage. To achieve mental minimalism, address this emotional clutter. Journaling can be a powerful tool to unpack and release these feelings. Or, if needed, seek the support of a trusted friend or therapist. Letting go of emotional weight creates room for joy, creativity, and peace. As Maya Angelou once said, "You can't control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them." Mental minimalism isn't about emptying your mind entirely. It's about creating space for what truly matters. You can transform chaos into clarity and peace by identifying your mental clutter, setting boundaries with information, practicing focus, and releasing emotional baggage. Take the first step today, and remember, simplicity isn't just a lifestyle, it's a mindset. See you in the next one. I'm out.